All right, what's going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video of whole household item workouts with your one and only Angel Reese. Yes. All right, now I know we're going through some tough times right now, okay, but we got to practice that social distancing. I know we got to do all that stuff. You guys probably haven't left the house in maybe a few weeks. That's fine. All right, we got you covered. All right, boys and girls, so before we start, I just want to emphasize on the whole social distancing, you know, practice good hygiene, wash your hands, sing that happy birthday song, all right? Always, remember, also, before we do any workout, before you go outside, play ball, whatever you guys do, remember, stay hydrated, okay? Make sure to drink that water, stay H2O. Okay, boys and girls, so before we get started, all right, we're gonna go ahead and stretch. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna do some basic stretching. We're gonna do some toe touches, all right? So ready? And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, all right? Okay, so next up, all right, we're gonna do some straddling. So you open up and you go to the left. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna do the other side. You guys wanna make sure your knees and your legs are straight, all right? You don't wanna bend them. Okay, so let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, all right? Okay, so now that we stretched out those hamstrings, a little bit of calves, we're gonna do quads. All right, now for quads, it requires you to sit down. So look for some space anywhere, just sit down. All right, now for this one, you wanna bend your leg back, just like that. And then you wanna slowly come back. Once you feel that point, you start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now you do the other side. Ready? Going back. And then you start going back slowly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. All right, and just like that, we're ready to go. Okay, boys and girls, so for this game, all right, we're gonna be using a ball, or you could really use anything you can throw, maybe like a sock, you know, anything you'd like. And then we're also gonna be using a trash can. In my case, I'm gonna be using a trash can. You can use a laundry basket, anything really enclosed so you can throw something in there. All right, now for this game, what you're gonna do is you're gonna separate it, all right, and then you're gonna do 10 squats. You're gonna be a distance, you're gonna be 10 squats. And in this game, you can play with your siblings. You could even play with your parents if they'd like to participate. All right, so you do 10 squats, you can do 10 squats, you can do jumping jacks, you can do burpees, whatever you'd like, something to get that heart rate up. And then you do 10 of them, right? And then you shoot. Once you shoot the ball, if you make it, next person goes, or you just keep rattling your own points. And then if you miss it, you have to come back and do those 10 squats again, all right? And then you shoot. And then you just keep going, you keep going, you keep going. All right, guys, so this is the way the game's gonna work, okay? So I'm about 5 yards away, all right? You can be further, you can be closer, whatever you like. All right, so here I'm gonna do squats. So I'm gonna do 10 squats, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then you shoot. Wow, I did it. Okay, so you see how I missed, right? Okay, so now I gotta come back and do 10 more squats, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then you just go until you make it. See, I missed again. Okay, so I missed the ball twice, all right? So now in this case, after every time you miss, you can switch it up, all right? This time I'm gonna do jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then shoot. And I missed again. All right, boys and girls, so obviously I'm not a good shot. I know, don't worry, it's okay. All right, so that's how the game works, right? It's really, you know, to get your heart rate up, to do some physical activity. All right, so other than that, that's a really great game. Show me what you got. I want to see pictures, videos, whatever. I just want to see you do it. All right, show me what you got. Don't forget, like our Facebook page, follow our channel, practice social distancing, wash your hands, okay? And behave, do good. Thank you. Stay tuned. Adios.